She copied everything I did. So I tricked her into doing something she'd truly regret. There's this girl named Kaya, who lives in my university halls. I met her in September when we started college and moved into the dorms. We're not best friends, but we're friendly. We don't really spend much time together. Over time, my friends noticed that Kaya tried to copy me in everything. It started slowly, with accessories and some clothes. Nothing major. I didn't even notice until people started pointing it out to me. I have a rather distinct style and she started copying it. I don't own the style and she's free to wear what she likes, but it's the exact same outfits, which is very odd. But then it got worse. I dyed my hair, she dyed her hair. I bought something for my room, she bought the same thing. I started chatting with a guy, and she became obsessed with that guy. It got to the point that whenever I had a male friend or guy I was interested in, she would go out of her way to try and get their attention. For example, she'd come down to the kitchen in nothing but a towel, something she never used to do. She would do anything to attract attention. Now, don't get me wrong, I couldn't care less if the guy was looking, even if it was my boyfriend looking. I'd have a beef with him, not her, but the blatant attention-seeking behavior was just odd. I joined clubs and sports